Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Mr. A.M. Please, if this is the first time you're crossing this channel, I would like you to subscribe for more lessons. So let's see how to solve such a number, or what can you do when you have a number like this: 25 divided by 5 in bracket 3 plus 2, and therefore we have a command here answer is not 1. So let's see first how the answer became 1, and we say it is incorrect. So many students, they start here by saying 25 divided by 5. Therefore, they add what is in bracket, which is going to be 5, right? So they continue writing 25. Therefore, they put division sign here. And when you have here 5 and 5 inside bracket, it's going to give you 25. So 25 divided by 25, the answer is going to be 1, but this answer is not correct. This is incorrect, okay? It is condemned totally. So let's see how we're going to get the correct answer. So let's underline the wrong part. So what we're going to do here to get the correct answer is to apply the rule of BODMAS. So we have here BODMAS. B here is meaning bracket. Okay, it's simply bracket, and we have here O is off, right? Therefore, we have here D, which is division. D is division, and we have M is multiplication. We have A, which is addition, and S is subtraction. So this is the rule that we're going to apply when we have such a question like this. So let's see what we're going to do. So we have to rewrite the question first. So I have here 25 divided by 5 in bracket. So then I have 3 plus 2. So according to the rule, the first letter here is B, which is bracket. So we're going to write, let's say equal. So we have 25 divided by 5 in bracket. We're going to solve for this inside bracket. So we have 3 plus 2, which is 5. That is good. So let's say again equal. So the second letter here is off. So we have nothing like this. So we have the third letter, which is D. D here is what? Division. So therefore, we're going to divide 25 by 5. And 25 divided by 5 is 5, right? So therefore, we put our bracket again and put our 5 inside the bracket. Therefore, let's say equal. So the fourth letter here is multiplication, right? This is multiplication. So here means 5 times 5, okay? Therefore, 5 times 5 is 25, and this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Please, if there is anything that is not clear, I would like you to comment in the comment section, and we will get out together. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. God bless.